Good morning and welcome to another early morning session from my bedroom. Sunday morning, I am watching the Bellator fight from Friday night. I didn't have time watch it live, so I just download some torrent file against the FBI warning, and then I just watch it now. So where are we now financially? It's a scary moment. This is gonna be short update. Don't worry, I'm not gonna bother you much with the numbers. Well, I just want to show you how stupid I can be. And I need to decide my bottom line. Hope you can help. And we're back on a Polygonfarm. So here's the situation. My initial investment on August 6th was $967. I got 61 coin. Then for next 6 days, I got, or 7 days, I got 4 coins in rewards. So that's free. Didn't cost me any. Combined value of these two was yesterday 666. That should be a sign. So I'm losing $300 in 7 days. And you think one should be smart enough to pull out of this? No. What did I do? You saw in a video yesterday, I decided to add more. So yesterday in the afternoon, I put another $500 for the really low price of $10, get another 47 coins, reinvest in this pool. Now I have 113 coins in the pool, almost 114 coins for average price of $12. And now totally I have $1,400 invested in this. So my future rewards are like this. After one day, which is today, because this is new cycle, today I'm down 340. We already saw that. I'm down $300. With this price of $10 that was yesterday, the whole day. After a week, I'm gonna be down 260, like it's little better. Why? Well, I get more rewards, so I have more coins. And then after a month, if it lasts like that, I have $110 plus. So this looks like immediately, so if the price stays the same, this looks immediately like I'm not going to make any money. So what's the strategy? Well, smart man would pull out now, cut the losses. But I still want to run it for a month. I want to see what's going to be with the value of spade. So if it goes back to $12, I'm breaking even in 7 days. But it's questionable. And it looks like price of the spade is gonna down. So what's my bottom line? When do I cut and leave the dodge? I think, I don't know, my arbitrary number, I just pulled this out of the hat, $7. Which means after 7 days, I'm losing $600, $700 I'd be losing. Which is almost a half of invested money. I invested close to $1,500. We'll see. So I think I'm gonna set up some alarm on $7 and close this. Get out with a loss of $700. What can I do in a week? Well, if the price stays same on the $7 by adding more rewards, I'm cutting the loss after 30 days down to 370. So I still want to run this for a month. But the gambler inside me says, stick around. It's going to turn. This morning update. This is what was yesterday. Today is 15. I have 115 point, call it 4. This was the price last night, but right now, this is the price right now. Let's refresh this page. 896 as we speak. What's going on? 896? Look at it. It was yesterday most of the day. This is in the evening, $10. Then I went to bed. It was still $10 here when I went to bed, about 11, 9, 10. Here, 11. That's when I went to bed. It was $10. And then it stopped dipping. So people go to sleep. Nobody's buying. Price goes down. We are now approaching the scary situation. 896. Let's update the spreadsheet. 896. Current value, profit. So out of 1400 we're losing 460, so we are down big time in 2 days. Well, it's not 2 days. The previous loss was 300 from first week. So I have a little more fight in me. 896. We still have $2 to go down to 7. And then quit the nonsense. Because look at this, in last 14 days, so you see how it was kind of stable around $15, $16 over, it was even 20, just in 14 days. So this is when I got the end here, and then it starts going down that same moment. So look at it, it's repeating this pattern. People that know, so gives me hope it's going to get back to this level, which is some kind of $15. That should be like normal price. In that case, I'm good. So don't worry yet. We still have $2 more space to go down. I'll let you know how it goes. Adios.